Would you look at that? It's the Penguin's more successful older brother who went to college. He's actually a CEO. Got the black on the back and the just like a penguin, but this guy can actually fly. This is very cool. Thank you, nature, for see proof. Proof over there. Never mind. You didn't get the proof, but his wife, because he's successful and normal and worth a damn, was flying around over there. Look at him, dude. He's like so elegant. He takes care of himself. He's cleaning. It's very good. Hold on.